In the last video, we explored how the genetic instructions in DNA are copied into a strand of mRNA through a process called transcription to exit the nucleus. Now, let's take a deeper look at the process known as translation to learn how those instructions lead to the formation of proteins. Translation begins when a ribosome, a cellular structure responsible for making proteins, attaches itself to the newly synthesized strand of mRNA. The only problem is, the ribosome can't actually understand the mRNA, so it calls over some of its buddies, the tRNA, to help out. The ribosome has 3 slots that the tRNA can slide into and begin reading the mRNA. Keeping with the theme, the tRNA read the mRNA strand in sets of 3 bases called codons. Each tRNA has a different anticodon on the bottom that matches with a certain codon on the mRNA to code for a certain amino acid. Okay, so tRNA can read and understand the instructions stored in the mRNA and form an amino acid chain. But how do they know where to start? The mRNA strand has what's actually known as a start codon. The start codon is AUG. And when the tRNA with the anticodon UAC finds it, it signals to all the tRNA and the ribosome that it's time to make an amino acid chain. Different tRNA molecules slide into the 3 slots on the ribosome and read along the entire mRNA strand until they hit what is known as a stop codon. There are 3 stop codons, UAA, UGA, and UAG. When any one of those is encountered, it signals that the amino acid chain is done and ready to be released. The amino acid chain then detaches from the final tRNA and floats off to do its duties. This translation process is also known as protein synthesis because the amino acid chain that was formed is actually a protein. Proteins have many functions throughout the body. They can be structural, like keratin, which forms your hair and nails. They can be hormonal, like insulin, which regulates blood glucose levels. And they can even be transportation, like hemoglobin, which carries oxygen through your bloodstream. Thanks for watching.